Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel we are going to learn about Java classes, how to program Java. This video deals with the basic programming knowledge. We are seeing a step-by-step tutorial to how to create a Java program from scratch. You can watch my prior videos for other tutorials. In this video we are going to see the topic constructor. Okay. In the last video we have created an interactive program regarding for an library, how to set a name and get a name. In this we are using the same program but a little bit of coding, and in here we are using the concept constructor. Okay, so for that we are creating two class files. First we have to create Java library.java file, and after that we have to create library test.java. So these are the two files. If you want code for this one, you can mail your ID in the comment below. I will mail you the code. And first, so coming back to the topic, it is very simple, and once you can learn this one, automatically you will get to write programs, and you can write unlimited number of programs after that. This coding series is very simple and it is easily understandable. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment below. Okay, now this topic deals with the constructor. So for that we will create two Java files. Then coming to the Eclipse, you can see here we have created library.java file and library test.java. First I will explain this coding. So first two lines are the codes, library.java and other comments. There are three types of comments, and you can see my prior videos. In that I have explained how many types of comments are there and how to write that one, and in which most we will use this / comment. The fourth line deal with the public class library. This is library is the class name. The class name should be written with the first letter capital and the rest letter should be in small. So this is how you will write a class name. And after that, this fifth line is a right curly braces. This is the opening of the class, and the end will be the right. This is the left curly braces and it will get closed with the right curly braces. This is how you will end of class. The sixth line is the private string name. This is the instance variable. There are total three types of variables. Instance variable is there, local variable is there, and static variable is there. First I will say local variable. Local variables, the variable which are declared inside the method. The variables which are declared inside the class but outside the method is called instance variable. The variables which are declared inside the class outside the method using the keyword static, then it is called as a static variable or class variable. So these are three variables are there, and we are declaring with a name. And after that, here we are using constructor. In the previous program we have already declared a default constructor, if you have noticed. Okay, and in this constructor we are giving a variable here, string name. Here name is the variable and string is the data type, and we are declaring as a public. Okay, this name will take it as a this dot name. And here why this keyword is used? This keyword is used for the reference of a method or an instance variable. This keyword is used to refer the instance variable. We will use this dot name and we are using the same variable name. Once the constructor is declared, after that we'll set the name. We are using public void set name. Okay, here we are using void because there is a no return type, and we are setting the name here. So you can see in the comment we have to set the name. Now here again the data type we have taken. Okay, and this keyword for the reference, and the name is set. Now once the name is set, we have to retrieve the name from the database. So for that one we will write get name. Okay, we will use get name method, and again this here the string is data type what we are retrieving. Okay, we don't write void here because there is a return type here. Okay, if you have any doubt in this method, you can check my prior videos, there I have explained in detail. So this is the library.java file. Now we will see about the library test.java, where we are reading the main class. Okay, so here comes the library test.java. This is the main class. Okay, this is the 17 line program. The second line is comment. The fourth line is public static library test. This is the class name. Okay, as I've told you, the first class name should start with a capital letter. If you are attaching any another word to it, then the first letter of that word should be a capital, like T here. Now from here on, the class started. The next one is the main method. Okay, main method is the point where the program will start executed. Okay, it will take place in the Java virtual machine. Now this public, this is static, this is void. This all I have explained in detail in my prior videos, you can watch there. And the main method started with the left curly braces. Okay, now let's come to the 8th and 9th line. Here we are creating object. Okay, this is the class name which we are taking, library, and this is we are declaring with the my library 1. Okay, and again we are using new operator for creating a memory space. Okay, now this class has been declared into a object. Now here comes the constructor. Okay, this is the constructor, and in this one we are declaring the variables. Okay. As you can see in the Java file, we have written library in the bracket string name. In the earlier videos we have used default constructors, but here we are using constructor with variables. Okay, so the first object is created, and here my library to new, again library. We have to change this one. If you given the same name here, same reference, then you will give error. In the first one we have given John, in the second one we have given Mark. For the second one, this is the first one. Once the objects are created, we will display the output. In the prior videos you have seen that how we have set a name, but in this one we have just given the name to the object, and it will go to the other class and it will set the name. Now we will just get the name from that class. Okay, we don't have to set name here, it will automatically set in that library class. Once the name is set, now we will retrieve the output. Okay, so this is the constructor. The definition of the construction is given like this. Now here comes the definition of the constructor. A constructor is a bit of code that allows you to create object from a class. Okay, you call the constructor by using the keyword new, followed by the name of the class, followed by any necessary parameters. For the example, if you have a dog as a class, then you can create a new object of this type saying a new dog. Okay, you can check here. So this is the constructor, and we are calling with the word new. Okay, and we'll call the same class as a library parenthesis. Okay, so this is how a constructor is there, and here we have declared a value, and it will set the name in the library .java file. Again it will set the name here, it will retrieve it from here, get name, Here set name is there. Again it will retrieve from the print option. So you can see here system.output.printf account name 1, %s is used to call the string value, and %n for the next cursor should come to the next line. Here we are using printf. Printf is print format. There are other two types of print. You can watch my prior videos, in that I have explained. And this is the, now we'll see the output, how it will come. Just go to this green button, click run. You can see here account name 1 is John, and here mark account name 2 is Mark. Fine. This is how you will do this. Okay, so this is the end of. So if you have any doubts in this one, now after that you check here, this right curly braces the end of main method, and this red curly braces the end of class file. Okay, so if you have any doubts, then you can comment below. Please, if you want the code, then you can mail your ID, and please click like, share and subscribe. And last, thanks for watching.